Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is Dr. Mariam Abbas from NCM National Aman. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us in this condolence meeting. We are here to just reflect on the wonderful personality of Mrs. Nigat Said Khan, and we will begin with the recitation from Holy Quran. Can we have the recitation, please?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहने वाला है। आप कह दीजिए कि वो अल्लाह एक है। अल्लाह बेनियाज है। लम यलिद वलम यूलद, न उसकी कोई औलाद है और न वो किसी की औलाद। वलम यकुन लहू कुफुवन अहद, और कोई उसका हमसर व बराबरी करने वाला नहीं है। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Thank you. May Allah bless Mrs. Said. May Allah bless Mrs. Said in her internal journey. Before we begin, there is a small video reflecting Mrs. Said's time era since her childhood and her early career. So, can we have that video to be played before we move on? Thank you.
Nighat Said Khan had an excellent educational background and family upbringing, having studied at Loreto Convent in Lucknow, India as head girl, where her family lived, and later achieving an honours in English literature from Calcutta University, where her sister's husband was posted as coal commissioner from Pakistan. Surrounded by family of barristers, she was an avid reader and always wanted to put her qualifications to some use. She got married and came to Pakistan and started living in Attock Refinery Limited, ARL, Rawalpindi, where her husband, Syed Muhammad Khan, worked. After her children started going to school, she pursued to work for women and child welfare. It all started when the Attock Refinery MD's wife, Mrs. Lodhi, saw the potential and handpicked Nighat. Mrs. Lodhi was on the committee of Behbood Association, a women and child welfare organization in Rawalpindi. When at a ladies' meeting at ARL Club, Mrs. Lodhi asked Nighat if she would be interested to volunteer in Behbood and teach the children English, to which Nighat very willingly accepted. After a few days, Nighat was asked to come to Behbood complex. Mrs. Lodhi introduced Nighat to Mrs. Akhtar Riazuddin, wife of Federal Secretary and the chairperson of Behbood Association. That was the beginning of her professional journey, and she stayed with Behbood till 1994, when they left for Karachi after her husband's retirement from ARL. Nighat's compassionate nature inclined her to work for the cause of women and child welfare. She was a dedicated member of the committee and pioneer in establishing the medical and industrial units of Behbood Saidpur village. Nighat left an indelible mark on countless lives she touched, beginning from a small staff of 5 persons to providing employment and skills to over 1,000 underprivileged women when she left Behbood, a living proof of the transformative work she championed. She represented Pakistan on several landmark, regional and international conferences held in New York, Washington, D.C., and in particularly contributed to the ICPD Cairo 1994.
Thank you so much. So this was her life before she joined NCM and Aman. And now I would request Dr. Azra to please share her some memories when she was back, she was in Karachi and she joined us. Over to you, Dr. Azra.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and thank you for joining us in this remembering a very dear person. Mrs. Said was a development professional with special interest in reproductive health, particularly family planning, safe motherhood, and gender issues. She joined National Committee for Maternal and Neonatal Health in 1997 after she moved to Karachi. She worked as a national coordinator and management advisor at NCMNH. Over the years, she skillfully led NCMNH's maternal and neonatal health and family planning programs, collaborating with international and local partners such as Pathfinder International, the Susan and Thomas Buffett Foundation, IPAS, Genuity, UNICEF, UNFPA, CDA, and I can name so many more. In 2020, she was appointed Secretary General of NCMNH and later continued to serve on the Senior Management Committee of NCMNH and Amman with unwavering dedication until her passing. She was one of the founding members of Association for Mothers and Newborns, which we lovingly call Amman also. Prior to joining NCMNH, Nikhat served as a national program officer with Pathfinder from 1994 to 97. She remained associated with Behbood Association of Pakistan from 1997, and she was an alumni of Center for Development and Population Study Activities, from where she qualified as a woman in management. Nighat was an excellent manager who combined professionalism with kindness and care. She made decisions with empathy and understanding, showing how much she valued her team. She built strong relationships with everyone at NCMNH, creating a workplace where everyone felt supported and respected. She was a mother figure to many and kept the team together. Her friendly nature and genuine concern for her team's well being made her very popular at work and helped the organization grow. Her leadership is a testament to how empathy and effective management can drive both individual and organizational success. I feel very sad because she kept us all together, and she was one reason why I kept on coming back again and again to NCMNH in spite of a lot of issues at work, where every workplace has some issues, and Nikat was that one person who kept us all together. So we will miss Nigat, and hopefully we will continue to carry her legacy forwards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Azra. May I request from the family, Melise, since you are there, if you or sir would like to say a few words about Mrs. Said, we would like to hear from you. Please unmute. Can you unmute yourself, Melise? Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think Abu will say a few words before we all can chip in.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I would like to appreciate Dr. Azra, the CMH family, and all those present here for remembering Nigat so fondly. Speaking about my wife, Nigat was a very loving and caring wife, sharing with me 62 years of married life, counseling me, guiding me, and helping me on all occasions. I cherish every moment of my life spent with her, and I will miss her presence beside me. She was also a very devoted mother and grandmother, and was admired for her work and family life balance. Nigat loved her children and grandchildren immensely. She was very happy to see them grow into well-rounded personalities. She rejoiced and admired them when they excelled in their studies at college and universities. Being a senior member of a large family, Nigat held everyone together with kind words for everyone. She will always be remembered for her sweet nature, ready smile, and love and affection for everyone she held dear to her. Her legacy continues in both the professional and personal relationships she had built over the years. I pray to God for her everlasting peace and a beautiful place in
Yes.
paradise.
Amen.
Lastly, I would like to appreciate again Dr. Adra, the CMH family, and all those present here for remembering Nigat so fondly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So good to hear from you. Yes, Manish.
It's बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है बोलना, but I will say a few words about Ammi. Was क्योंकि both my brothers also wanted to say a few words, तो हमने jointly एक बोलना चाह रहे थे कि our mother was most affectionate and demonstrative in her love for us. She was a mentor and a friend too, being a role model for the entire family. She not only guided us, but also provided the same to our school friends, cousins, and colleagues, always ready to help and provide support. Many a times by her comforting words and gentle tone and demeanor. So she was a pillar of strength in the true sense, and yet embodied the value of compassion and empathy with such grace and dignity, it came naturally to her. Her love for music, gardening, and cooking stood out. She was an active member on social media platforms and exchanging information across different cultures and regions. And she was way ahead of her time and knew what was in vogue even before I knew. She used to guide me often on several fronts, professional, personal, what was in, what was in vogue. She was home proud and taught us the art of gracious living.
Yeah.
So we will try our best to live up to her expectations and carry her legacy forward by remaining in touch with all of you and also keeping the causes she pursued close to our hearts. So thank you, NCMNH, and all her friends and family present here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you very much. Is there anyone else in the family who would like to say anything? We can see Lyra,
Yes, I
everyone.
think the grandchildren.
Okay.
Grandchildren.
So anyone can please pitch in.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all of Dadi's colleagues for arranging this today. It means a lot to our entire family. I am Dadi's eldest granddaughter, Minel. And although my siblings and I wanted to say our own little piece, due to the time constraints, I will be speaking of what's in the hearts of all three of us today.
Okay.
Dadi always told me I had a flair of writing and that I wrote really well, which of course I got gifted down from her. But for the first time, while trying to gather my thoughts and put them into words for what she meant to me, I truly struggled because there's so much to say. To most people, Dadi was a mentor, a guiding light, a confidant, a dependable friend and colleague, and so much more. But to the three of us, she was simply just Dadi. She often called my sister and I her two beauties, even with our messy buns and tired faces. And to that, we always used to wonder how someone could love us so dearly and so purely, even on our worst days. We learned two very important things from her: her strength, which needs no words, and her ability to be a true people's person. You could give her any topic at any place with any person of any age, and she would find a way to converse with them endlessly. She was truly the coolest and most updated one in the entire family. We miss her a lot, but we find comfort in all of the precious memories she's left behind for us to cherish and hold on to. Please do keep her in your hearts, keep her alive in your conversations, and most importantly, in your duas. We love you, Dadi, forever and always.
Thank you, Manal. Thank you so much. And the floor is open for everyone, whoever wants to say anything. You can just unmute your mic, raise your hands and Simi Kamal. जी Simi, मैम आप बोलो.
आदाब अर्ज़ है। आज इस महफिल में बैठ के मैं बहुत देर से बहुत रूहासी हो रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं निगहत को पिंडी के दिनों से जानती हूँ, जब वो बहबूद में हुआ करती थी। और उन दिनों मैंने अपना काम शुरू किया था और मैं इस्लामाबाद कभी कभार जाया करती थी। पता ये चला कि वो कलकत्ते से हैं और मेरी अम्मी और उनका ख़ानदान भी कलकत्ते से था। तो हम लोग बहुत उस किस्म की बातें भी किया करते थे और ज़्यादातर मेरी बातें उनसे उर्दू में होती थी, लिहाजा आज मैं उनके बारे में उर्दू में ही बात करना चाहती हूँ। वो इतनी प्यारी शख्सियत थी। जैसे कहते हैं ना कि मैं जब सोचती हूँ कि मैं ज़िंदगी में वो कौन लोग हैं जिनसे मुझे बहुत प्यार हो गया था, तो वो उनमें से एक है। इतनी मोहब्बत करने वाली, सबका ख्याल रखने वाली, अपने घर वालों को टूट के चाहने वाली, हमेशा मुस्कुराने वाली, खूबसूरत और खूब सीरत। मुश्किल वक्तों में उन्होंने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया। मैं आपको क्या क्या बताऊं कि किस तरह से उन्होंने मेरा साथ दिया। और उनकी ये रफ़ाकत मेरे लिए एक हमेशा हमेशा मैं उसके बारे में सोचती रहूंगी। वो बहुत मेहनती थी, वो अपनी काम की लगन में मस्त रहती थी। पाकिस्तानी ख़वातीन की तरक्की में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। मेरा ख्याल है जिसके लिए उनको शायद उतनी रिकग्निशन नहीं मिली जितना मिलनी चाहिए, क्योंकि खामोशी के साथ औरतों की खिदमत करना हमारे यहाँ कम लोगों को आता है। बहुत बढ़ चढ़ के और शोर मचा के इतना सा काम करके उसको इतना बड़ा बनाना, ये यहाँ बहुत होता है। और निगहत बिल्कुल उसकी उल्टी तरह से काम करती थी। वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती थी, लेकिन बहुत ही खामोशी के साथ करती थी। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनकी ज़िंदगियों में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, लोगों को खुश रखने में, उनकी मदद करने में। बहुत सी जगहों पे उन्होंने इतना कुछ किया है कि शायद वो बताती भी नहीं थी और शायद सबको उसके बारे में पता भी ना हो। जैसा मैंने कहा, मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में मेरे मुश्किल वक्तों में उन्होंने बहुत मेरा साथ दिया। तो मनीज़े, सईद भाई, सब घर वाले, मिनल और आजना, सबके लिए मैं बहुत आप सबके लिए दुआगो हूँ और आप सबके लिए बहुत प्यार। मुझे पता है कि आप उन्हें कभी भी नहीं भूल पाएंगे। वो लगता होगा कि घर में वहीं चल फिर रही हैं और उनको ऐसे ही याद करना चाहिए। शुक्रिया आपका।
Thank you so much, Simi. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else who would like to say anything about Dr. Zeba, please?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आई कैन नॉट स्पीक एज वेल एज सीमी, मगर फ्रॉम द हार्ट के जब मुझे ये डॉक्टर अज़रा ने बताया कि हमारी दोस्त निगहत सईद यहाँ दुनिया में नहीं है, मुझे बहुत ही उस दिन इतना अफसोस हुआ कि आई विश दैट आई हैड मेट हर वन लास्ट टाइम। कभी सोचा भी ना था कि इतनी जल्दी वो चली जाएंगी हमें छोड़ के। I also met Nighat Sahiba when she was at Behbood and I had started my career in Islamabad. और प्रोफेशनली हम मिलते थे और फिर वो कराची चली गई, मगर इवन हियर शी लेफ्ट सच अ बिग मार्क ऑन एवरीवन। आई थिंक जो डॉक्टर अज़रा ने कहा वो बहुत ही अहम पॉइंट है उनके बारे में। शी वाज लाइक अ पीस मेकर, अ पर्सन हु वुड ब्रिंग पीपल टुगेदर। मेरे ख्याल से जब मैंने इनकी थैंक यू वेरी मच इनके जब फैमिली के मेंबर्स से बात हुई, आई थिंक शी हैड व्हाट वुड वी वुड कंसिडर अ कंप्लीट लाइफ। She was dearly loved. She was deeply respected. She brought people together. She didn't, ये जो हमारी फील्ड भी है जिसमें बहुत फ्रैक्शंस हैं, लोग compete करते हैं, वो हमेशा कोशिश करती थी हम इकट्ठा मिलके काम करें। मेरे लिए तो NCMNH का अगर मैं सोचती हूँ तो डॉक्टर सादिका, Mrs. Kamal or Mrs. Nighat Said, they are the founding members of that collegiality which continues now in front of us on the screen. The younger generation, Dr. Azra बैठी हैं और मरियम वगैरह, तो I know कि आप लोगों को भी उतना ही दुख हो रहा होगा जितना हमें, मगर we will really really miss, मैं समझती थी कराची जाऊंगी तो I'll see her at some occasion or the other, or maybe in the office, and I will really miss that, not seeing her anymore. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Zeba. Dr. Sadia, you would like to say some words?
जी मरियम, मैं अभी कराची में भी नहीं हूँ. I'm in Geneva on my way back, but I had to join this meeting somehow, and I am. Nighat, I was very fond of, and I met her for the first time in NCMNH when I was invited to join NCMNH by Dr. Sadka Jafri on my return from UK. And Dr. Sadka ने मुझे काफी वो मेंटर भी रह चुकी है, उन्होंने डांट डपट से बुलाया कि भाई सिर्फ लेप्रोस्कोपी करना नहीं है काम, भाई ये पब्लिक हेल्थ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. खैर, anyway, that's history, and my journey with NCMNH would not have been complete or even possible without Nighat. There were several times when I sort of said, okay, I've done my bit, Dr. Sadka, बस अब मैं नहीं कर सकती है. तो वो she was the one who held us all together. इतने प्यार से, इतनी मोहब्बत से, I can't ever recall her being unpleasant with anyone. And she introduced this Friday as like an open house at NCMNH, and Dr. Sadka की इतनी फॉलोइंग थी, लोग उनसे मिलने आते थे. तो वो एक जुम्मे का दिन था जिसमें हर कोई आ जाता था और पुराने लोग हमें मिलते थे, हम एक दूसरे से गपशप लगाते थे. और निगत used to look after everyone from what we were going to be served, and किस तरह से क्या तौर तरीके, वहाँ जो वर्कर्स थे उनको ऐसी तमीज उन्होंने सिखाई कि वो आज तक अभी काम कर रहे हैं, और वो जिस तरह से वो चाय और वेरियस चीजें सर्व करते हैं वो दूसरे ऑफिसेज में नहीं होता. तो मैंने टू दी एक्सटेंट मैंने निगत को कहा कि निगत आप एक फिनिशिंग स्कूल खोलें, ठीक है. वी आर वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. आप लखनऊ के आपके सारे जो कहना चाहिए ना, जितने पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स लोग लखनवी आदत है, और हम, लेकिन और लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि ये कैसे है, क्या तौर तरीके हमारे होने चाहिए इन प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज वेल. तो वो तो हो नहीं सका, वो हम हंस हंस के बस ऐसे ही खत्म हो गया. लेकिन मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, उनकी ग्रैंड डॉटर जो अभी बोल रही थी, मिशाल, आई थिंक हर नेम इज, अब मेरा ये भी है कसूर कह लें या जो भी, मैंने उनके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन भी, आई वाज द ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन फॉर हर बहू. सो it's an honor for me, and since you are a writer, beta, you must write your grandmother's story. You owe it to her. It's a beautiful story. It's an exemplary story of a professional woman, pre-partition, and with a husband who speaks so highly of her. So it's a beautiful, beautiful story, which needs to go out there. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sadia. Thank you so much. Ji, Mavish, you would like to say something?
Thank you so much, Dr. Sadia. What lovely words you put Ammi into. And Minel, inshallah, will carry on her legacy. Inshallah, all of us will do. Not
Thank
exactly
you.
like her, but we will try our level best to carry on her
Put it
legacy
all
and her
together. Put
way
it
of
all
life.
together,
Ji,
including
ji.
her husband. Yes, thank you.
Sure, yes,
Thank you so much, everyone.
thank you everyone for.
Dr. Leila, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे? Unmute
Azra, may I say something? Fawzia Qureshi here.
Ji, please.
Dr. Fazil.
हाँ, निगत की तारीफ तो कम कर सकते ही नहीं है. इतनी अच्छी such a nice professional, always helpful, always smiling, always keeping people together. It's really beautiful to hear all this things that her husband said about her, you said about her, and everybody. She was really an exemplary professional, and I will really miss her. So I couldn't come to the funeral. I'm not feeling very well, but I wanted to join the meeting and say how much we appreciated her and her work at the NCMH. That's all. I would like us to pray for her, thankful or alham, so that we can bless her memory always. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Fauzia.
जी डॉक्टर लैला
हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाह रही
Cousins
थी
में कोई रुबीना आपा या फौजिया आपा?
जी जी डॉक्टर लैला पहला
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी कि जब उनको बहुत सारी बातें जो मैं कहना चाह रही थी, काफी बातें हो भी गई हैं, लेकिन एक चीज जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा उनकी वो थी कि उन्होंने जिस तरह जब वो बीमार हुई थी और कैंसर हुआ था उन्होंने, और जब उन्होंने वो न्यूज शेयर की थी और जिस तरह उन्होंने फाइट किया था कैंसर से, वो मतलब एक एग्जाम्पल सेट कर दिया कि दूसरे लोग सोचें कि बस अब एंड हो गई लाइफ, और वो कितनी मतलब जबरदस्त तरीके से कहती थी, देखो कुछ दिन अच्छे होंगे, कुछ दिन मेरे बुरे होंगे। कभी मैं इंजेक्शन लगाने भी उनको जाती थी कोई उनके घर पे, तो मुझसे बात करती थी, कहती देखो ये मैंने अपने सर के लिए वो लिया है, कि स्कार्फ लिया है, और कोई बात नहीं, थोड़े दिन में मेरे बाल निकलेंगे और बहुत अच्छे निकलेंगे। तो मैं सोचती थी कि ये कितनी बड़ी चीज है और कितनी हिम्मत की चीज है वो, कि जिस तरह से वो बात करती थी और वो अपनी रिपोर्ट्स और चीजें जिस तरह से डिस्कस करती थी। उन्होंने जितनी मोहब्बत प्यार मुझे भी दिया है, और मुझे आज तक भूलता नहीं है जब मैंने उनसे बताया कि मैं NCMNH उस पर छोड़ के मैं मूव फॉरवर्ड कर रही थी जपाई गुजारनी, कह रही लैला मैं पूरी रात नहीं सोई, मेरी तो जमीन निकल गई पाँव के नीचे से, एंड आई वाज सो अपसेट कि मैं सोच नहीं सकती थी कि तुम जा भी सकती हो कभी। तो मुझे वो बहुत याद आ रही।
anyone from the family cousins or जी
I can speak.
Rubina
My name is Rubina, and Khala and I have such fond memories from the 60s when Daddy and Nani B and Khala and Mamu and Ammi and all of us lived in Calcutta. And I just always look back at my life very fondly when these two uncle and aunt were living with us, and they would be practicing their dance moves because every weekend they would go to dance at Twinkers where there was live music. And that's when the seed of love of music was instilled in our family from my father and my khala and my mamu. We had the best time together in the 60s in Calcutta. And can you hear me?
yes
Yeah.
we hear you
Okay. And then sadly, Daddy died 5 years later. We were back in Karachi. He died very young, and I cannot ever forget how much support and love Khalu and Khala gave us during that time. And also every summer we would go to Pindi Atta Coil Company, and all of us were like completely pampered. We were like these special family members who had lost their father, and Khala and Khalu were all the time entertaining us, and that cemented our relationship with Khala and Khalu and Manize, Asad and Amju, and then later on with Mavish. Khala's house was the center of our life. I've lived abroad for the last 44 years. But one of my fondest thing was to go hang out with Khala. And Manize and Mavish and Amju Asad, I don't know if you know, but Khala and I were constantly in touch via social media. She and I loved music, anything new, anything old, we were talking about that. And then she was also our advisor about life, about relationships, about the art of living, class, She was just so inspiring to all of us. We always wanted to be at Khala's house and just hang out. And we are so fortunate as a family because every year Khala's house was the place to be for Eid. I have not always been there, but I always know that my entire family was hanging out at Khala and Khalu's house. This is just a very amazing, exemplary thing that Khala has done. She's always kept us glued together. And the loss is just so sudden after Ammi's passing and Mamu's passing. It seemed like in the last 6 months, we've lost the entire elderly mentors in our lives. Such is life. But I just want to remember her with happiness and joy, and just remember all the beautiful things she's taught me and done for us. And I'll always love her and remember her. And my love to all of you, Manize, Khalu, Mawe, Shamju, and Asad. Love you all so much.
Thank you so much. You're so right. She was a training institute for being the young. When we joined in our young ages, we were newly married, and she was not only concerned with our professional growth, she was really concerned with our personal growth as well. कि हम अपने personal lives में, अपनी personal relationships में कैसे रहते हैं, how to manage finances as a young. जो हम अब बात करते हैं कि वो जो काउंसलिंग थी वो उस टाइम पे भी उनकी हमेशा मॉर्निंग सेशंस 10-20 मिनट्स का होता था हमारे साथ over the cup of tea with all the young जो इंडक्ट्स होते थे ऑफिस के हमसे बैठ के हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ डिस्कस करती थी. शी मेड अस रियलाइज कि हम ग्रूमिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है हमारी पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग व्हेन वी आर कमिंग टू द ऑफिस द वे आवर हेयर्स शुड बी आवर ड्रेसेस शुड बी. So we really used to admire the way she used to paint her nails, she used to carry on herself and the blow dries and stuff. So she was no doubt a training institute for all of us. कि besides like professional development, उसमें तो उन्होंने जो हमारे साथ किया वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा था. But एक personal level पे भी we can say कि उन्होंने हमारे साथ हमारी personal lives को भी एक enhance करने में बहुत major role play किया है. And if I can share my thing, मैं तो public health में थी भी नहीं. So she gave me that time, 1 महीना 2 महीना. She would like कहीं किसी ऑफिस में ऐसे नहीं होता. When I joined public health NCMNH back in 2007 and 8, she gave me a month. कि अपना clinical भी करो और अपना आके यहाँ पे भी देखो. And find yourself interest in public health and see if you see कि यहाँ पे तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा है. Only then join public health क्योंकि clinical से एकदम से move होना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. And I'm glad कि I made that decision. उन्होंने मुझे ये इतना support किया at that particular time कि I ended up doing my public health में ही सब कुछ करती रही हूँ. It's been now 17 years and वो कर रहे हैं. Dr. Shahida, if you want to share some memories of Mrs. Saeed.
The thing is that so many people have spoken so well about her that I would endorse all that, and they have touched several aspects of her life. And the thing that struck me most, 2 or 3 things did, but the thing that struck me most when I came here, and which was frequently, was the calming influence she had on other people.
Yes.
There were 4 organizations working from 4 rooms. And as Azra said, things are not always very smooth. And she was the one who kept them all together. I would say that's quite true. And then she had courage of facing the several ailments or illnesses she had over a period of time. Diabetes, of course, then her cancer, and then other things that needed attention. So it was difficult for her to attend to everything, but she managed so well. And as Mariam said, she looked after everyone in the office and listened to their personal affairs as well, which is a good thing in an office, because office environments are often very, very difficult sometimes. Okay, and then her English was very good.
Yeah.
And once I commented on that to her, and she explained to me that when she was young, I think she said that she lived in a town outside Lucknow. And then, because there were no good schools there, she went to Lucknow for her convent education, and then she went to Calcutta for her honors in English. So really, it was really very good. I was impressed because it's not always easy, or it's not always common to find people who can write and speak well. And then the best thing I liked about her was that she always praised her daughters-in-law. The two, Mayavish and the other daughter-in-law who lives in America. She always praised them. She always had high praise for them and how well they treated her and how well they kept their families together. So really, she's a person that we'll all miss. Thank you.
And about her English, हम अक्सर अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के बात करते हैं कि she was the chat GPT of her era. For us, जैसे अभी हम chat GPT को follow कर लेते हैं कभी कभी जाके, तो she used to be the chat GPT at that time. कहीं कुछ नहीं मिलता था, मिसेस सईद के पास ड्राफ्ट ले जाके रख लो. She will beautify that document for us.
और ये इंग्लिश से मुझे ख्याल आया, मुझे अक्सर कहती थी जब मैं कभी कभी बहुत ही बददिल होके और भाग रही होती थी इधर से, तो वो मुझे कहती थी पाकिस्तान में बहुत कम ऐसे डॉक्टर्स हैं जिनको अपना काम भी आता है और अंग्रेजी भी आती है, एंड यू आर वन ऑफ देम, सो मैं आपको कहीं जाने नहीं दूंगी. तो मैं चाहे कितनी अपसेट कुछ होती थी, वो मुझे जरूर वापस खींच के बुला लेती थी. तो दैट इज हाउ आई कंटिन्यू टू वर्क. और हम रोजाना उनकी याद करते हैं, उनका जिक्र निकल जाता है, और उनके बहुत सारे चाहने वाले इस ऑफिस में. और बिल्कुल डॉक्टर शाहिदा की बात को एंडोर्स करूंगी, अपनी बेटी से ज्यादा अपनी बहुओं की बातें करती थी, और हमेशा, और इतनी तारीफ करती थी, इतनी तारीफ करती थी कि वो कैसे, जैसे डॉक्टर शाहिदा ने कहा, घर जोड़ के रखती हैं, और मैंने तो अपना घर उनके हवाले कर दिया है, अब मैं तो रिटायर हो गई हूँ, यहाँ से बहुत बड़े घर से रिटायर हो गई हूँ.
You know, Dr. Azra, Ammi had a very appreciative eye for everything. तो उनको हर चीज अच्छी लगती थी, चाहे वो हम जैसे भी हो. उनको कभी हम में कोई फॉल्ट नजर नहीं आता था. एंड she just appreciated everything, बड़ी से लेके छोटी तक. और I don't know, right now we are just so lost without her कि मुझे सुबह उनकी आवाज आती है, because I would come down after my class and I would have my chai ka cup with her. So after my yoga class, I'm just immensely missing that moment so much कि मुझे अब वो टाइम, वो 1 घंटा जो गुजारना होता है 11 से 12, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती how to go about it. Because it was, for me, it was the start. I would start my day like that. Sit with her in her room with my cup of tea or coffee. And we both loved coffee. So I would always ask her, okay, Ammi, do you want to have another cup of coffee? And she would say, हाँ ठीक है, बना लो. So, you know, that 1 hour, I just don't know how to sort of move on. I can just hear her voice all day. So, yeah, but we'll immensely miss her and her presence. Thank you.
Because is there anyone else who wants to say something? Dr. Isa, Dr. Harris, you both are here. If you would like to say a few words.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. मैं डॉक्टर ईसा हूँ, and I've known Madam Nigat after graduating from the medical college. I think my first job that I did was with Behbood Association of Pakistan, and she was my first boss. I really enjoyed working with her, and I kept a relationship with her over the years. So when I moved out of Behbood Association and I went on my own journey, I kept in touch with her, and she would always guide me, you know. And in all the references that I applied for jobs, I would put her as a referee. And she was very kind enough to, you know, give her a very good reference for me. So I wish her all the best. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless her soul, give her highest place in Jannah, and gives the strength and fortitude for the family in this difficult time. You know, Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. To Allah we belong, and to whom we shall return. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Haris Ahmed from Rawalpindi. I know Madam, I think in her early 80s when she introduced my mother, Dr. Roshan, to Behbood, and she asked her to, volunteer her time at Behbood Association, and my mother, started working there as a volunteer 4 days a week for I think 3-4 years in her 80s, and that's from that on what I know, Madam, and then when I started working in the development sector, and I met her, it was really awesome. She would remember my mother and the work that we did together. Very fond memories, and I pray for her soul. May Allah bless her with highest rank in Jannah. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Dr. Harris. जी डॉक्टर इज़रा आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे?
I think, does anybody else want to say something? So,
Abu would just like to thank everyone.
I would like to thank everyone, all the friends who spoke so fondly about Nigat, my wife. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. आप सब लोगों का बहुत शुक्रिया for sharing Nighat with us, because that was at the expense of your family time when she came to work. और आखिर वक्त तक भी मुझे ये पता है कि असद हमसे बहुत नाराज होते थे जब हम उनके पास सिग्नेचर्स करने के लिए चेक भेजते थे। ये हमें इनडायरेक्टली ये खबरें मिलती थी, but we wanted to keep our touch with Nighat, no matter how little that may be, and it was at the expense of a family time, और family से irritate होती थी, but हम क्या करें, हम निगत को इतना चाहते थे और हैं।
असद भाई जी, बस मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि असद भाई इज हाईली प्रोटेक्टिव ऑफ अम्मी, और वो इतनी ओवर प्रोटेक्शन में कि वो अम्मी कहती थी भाई मुझे आई लव गोइंग स्टेपिंग आउट एंड आई लव माय वर्क एंड दिस कीप्स मी ऑक्यूपाइड, but I think towards the end we were just trying to be overprotective, like he's overprotective brother as well and son.
तो वो एक खींचातानी थी ना हमारे दरमियान और असद के दरमियान के कौन अम्मी के ऊपर काबू करके रखे।
But I'm so glad that she kept going because of all of you. I'm so glad, because this is what she wanted to do.
I know, even a month before she passed away, she was here in our office. और हमने उनका बर्थडे केक भी काटा था, और we had a good time with her, and we were actually reviewing the constitution of our NGO, and she contributed very significantly to that activity in our office at that time. So,
Dr. Azra, it's very sad because अम्मी मुझे कह रही थी कि I'll start going more often now. उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम था वो भी सबसाइड हो गया था, but वही है कि end में we found out that all the three of our arteries were blocked. And there was no way out. I mean, it came as a huge shock to me, Asad bhai and Mavish. We were standing there, and उसके बाद से that was the turning point.
बस जाना तो सबको है, अल्लाह सबका खात्मा बखैर करे, अल्लाह जन्नत की हाईएस्ट जगहों पे और उनको मुकाम दे, आप सबको सब्र दे, हम सब उनकी अच्छी यादें याद रखें। और मैं आप सबसे फैमिली से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो जाता है इंसान, उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में इतना कुछ अचीव किया, हमें अपने बच्चों के सामने ये अच्छी बातों का जिक्र करना चाहिए और रो के उनकी याद नहीं करनी चाहिए।
बिल्कुल,
खुशी से,
you're so right. बिल्कुल,
खुशी से हम बात करें।
अम्मी would not have wanted that. अम्मी would
Yes.
not have wanted that.
फिर बच्चों को जब ये एहसास होता है ना कि उनके जिक्र से लोग रोते हैं, तो फिर बच्चे कुछ महसूस भी करते हैं तो बोलते नहीं है। तो ऐसा माहौल हो के मतलब उनकी यादें सारी खुशी में और उसमें हो। और आई थिंक वो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी साहब कुछ बात करना चाह रहे हैं, वो कर लें तो फिर हम करते हैं इसको।
डॉक्टर अजरा, थैंक यू। एंड मेरा यही इंशाल्लाह प्लान है कि मैं अम्मी की जो 2 ट्रेट्स हैं, पॉजिटिविटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ, ऐसे वो खड़ी हो जाती थी कुछ भी हो, जैसे आपने देखा है विद ऑल हर प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड नेवर कंप्लेन्ड, her strength and positive attitude. Inshallah, we'll try our best to take that on
And
from
Munize, you work in the same sector, तो अपनी अम्मी की legacy कायम रखें. हमारे ऑफिस
inshallah.
आए आके और see what she was doing and let's see how we can work together ताकि उनका काम भी आगे चलता रहे.
बिल्कुल, बस उनका ये है कि उनकी जो मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स है ना वो बहुत मुश्किल है मैच करना. वो जो एक ओवरऑल एक होता है ना कि सब कुछ देखना, बजट, प्रोग्राम साइड एंड द मैनेजमेंट साइड, दैट कॉम्बिनेशन इज
Yeah,
डिफिकल्ट टू कम बाय, बट इंशाल्लाह.
do come over. But
Yes.
before we conclude, आप खिलजी साहब आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे?
जी
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आप सबका शुक्रिया. मैंने बहुत दोस्तों को सुना यहाँ पे, और ख़ास तौर पे निगत साहिबा के बारे में, चूंकि उनके साथ डायरेक्ट राब्ता हमारा नहीं था, ना डायरेक्ट इतना ताल्लुक था, लेकिन चूंकि मनीजे के साथ हम मनीजे के साथ कुलीग है, उनके हवाले से हम निगत साहिबा को जानते थे. बस सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि चूंकि ये इतना बड़ा सरमाया होता है उस फैमिली के लिए कि वो उसका रद्द-ओ-बदल ही मुमकिन नहीं हो सकता है. जो आज मैं आप लोग को सुन रहा था, उनकी एक्टिविटीज, उनका काम, उनके लोगों के साथ ताल्लुक, और ये सारा चक्कर हमारे हम जितने भी अपनी फैमिली के साथ जुड़े रहते हैं, लेकिन दो ऐसी हस्तियां हैं जो जिनके बारे में हम कुछ भी वो कहते हैं ना, उसके बारे में कुछ कहा भी नहीं जा सकता है. जैसे एक वालिद होता है, एक वालदा होती है, और जो वालदा होती है उससे पूरे कुंबे को जोड़ के रखा होता है. और जाना तो सबको है, लेकिन चूंकि एक खुशी की ये बात होती है कि जब आप लोगों के अल्फाज में अपने अपनों के लिए अच्छे अल्फाज सुनते हैं तो वो खुशी होती है उस पर. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह निगत साहिबा ने अपनी ज़िंदगी ऐसे गुजारी है कि उन्होंने सर्व किया है, उन्होंने लोगों को दिया है और लोगों के लिए काम किया है. और उनका जो काम है वो उनके औलाद में, उनकी जो फैमिली में, वो इंशाल्लाह वो आप लोग हम सबको नज़र भी आएगा. और ख़ास तौर पे मनीजे के साथ हमारा एक ताल्लुक है, और मेरा बहुत पुराना ताल्लुक मनीजे के साथ है. और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा उनकी फैमिली को कि जब वालिदैन नहीं होते हैं, या वालिद या वालदा, तो उनकी जो दोस्त हैं, अहबाब है, जिनके साथ उनका ताल्लुक है, उनके साथ जुड़ के रहें. उनमें आपको आपके अपने नजर आते हैं. तो ये इतना बड़ा लॉस है कि इसके बारे में हम कुछ चीजें, कुछ बातें कर भी नहीं सकते हैं. लेकिन एक चीज ये है कि चूंकि अल्लाह ने एक सब्र हमें दिया हुआ है, सब्र का एक चीज हमारे अंदर है, तो हमें सब्र करना चाहिए. हम सब ने जाना है, लेकिन उनके जो काम है उनको आपने आगे लेके चलना है, अपनी फैमिली के साथ उनको जोड़ के रखना है. उनके जो दोस्त हैं, उनके जो अहबाब है जिनके साथ वो जुड़ी हुई है, उनको जोड़ के रखना है अपने साथ. तो ये बहुत बड़ा लॉस है, और हम इस पे हम ताज़ियत भी करते हैं. और आपको अल्लाह सब्र दे, आपकी फैमिली को अल्लाह उनके दर्जात बुलंद करे. जी बहुत शुक्रिया.
बहुत शुक्रिया खिलजी साहब आपका. सो बिफोर कंक्लूड क्या बिफोर कंक्लूडिंग आई वुड कुछ अरसे पहले की बात है, चंद हफ्तों पहले की बात है, निगत ने एक गाना शेयर किया था फेसबुक पर अपने अकाउंट से, और वो गाना मैंने 50 दफा सुना है, बट उसका सही मानी मुझे अब समझ आया निगत के गुजरने के बाद. सो जो उन्होंने जो शेयर किया था, हम उसी को शेयर करके ये वाली महफिल बर्खास्त करते हैं. और वो उसका एक एक लफ्ज एक मेरे लिए एक डिफरेंट मीनिंग है अब, हालांकि मैंने उसको पता नहीं कितनी दफा सुना है. सो वो जो एग्जैक्टली निगत ने शेयर किया था वो हम अभी कराते हैं. जस्ट अ मिनट और टू, आप लोग भी प्लीज सुनिए.
Dr. Azra, it's a beautiful tribute.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. I've seen that.
न रहे हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बागे वफा में. रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम। मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बन के रहेंगे हम खिरामा।
चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी खिजाओं या बहारा।
यूं ही झूमते और खिलते रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में।
जब हम न होंगे जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे चलते चलते अश्कों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे चलते चलते।
वहीं पे कहीं हम तुमसे मिलेंगे बन के करीब बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम। बन के करीब बन के सबा बागे वफा
तो एक दफा बस लगाएं। नहीं पहले
बस बंद कर दे।
So Manize and Saeed Bhai and Rubina and Minel, Mavish और भी फैमिली के जितने लोग भी हैं, we should say our good bye-byes and inshallah we will meet remembering Nigat again and again inshallah. Keep in touch. Manize तुम्हारा माइक बंद है, please खोल लो.
Thank you so much everyone. It really means a lot. और ये बस गाना जब से वो पोस्ट आपने रीपोस्ट किया था तो मैं सुन के माविश और मैं भी हम इसी को सुन रहे हैं और अम्मी को याद कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much.
यही मतलब मुझे अब समझ आया है. पहले इसकी मेलोडी अच्छी लगती थी, इसके वर्ड्स पे इतना गौर नहीं किया था मैंने. ये पहली दफा इसके वर्ड्स पे गौर किया मैंने.
इस साल में अम्मी ने 2 दफा ये पोस्ट किया था. एक शुरू में किया था, I think when her sister passed away. And I just went back in the feed, and then when we all commented, you and Dr. Sadia. So I saw that, Jay. Beautiful.
I would like to say something in the end. I don't know if the mic is open, but
I just
hear
feel
you.
like Kala was the glue for all of us, and that's what we need to continue, is to move the torch forward, and we all have to make an effort to continue her legacy. She taught us so much, so much. And she was an institution. We'll never forget her. But thank you so much for putting this whole event together. And I was wondering if it was recorded so we can share it with our kids and extended family.
Yes, we have it recorded और वो हम share कर लेंगे मनीषा से और महावेश से.
बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया. मनी से आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Manise, we can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Bolo.
Thank you so much for this lovely tribute that you all have given to Ammi. Thank you from the entire Khan family. We really, really appreciate it. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका सबका.
सीमी, आपका भी आपने इतना अच्छे लफ्जों में, अब्बू को मैं सुनाऊंगी वो जो आपने अम्मी के लिए लिखा है इंशाल्लाह. एंड डॉक्टर अजरा, डॉक्टर सादिया, everyone, thank you so much for this tribute. We feel we owe it to Ammi, and this is the least we can do. Inshallah, we'll carry on जो मिनेल का आपने कहा है voice overs के साथ, and things will develop and we'll be sharing with you all. Thank you, Dr. Shahida, everyone, Dr. Mariam, all the NCMNH family. We love you. I love all of you.
We love you.
Thank you.
That's it.